Okay, we got a box full of things here. Dad gets. Okay, he bought a surprise package from Olson, but he did say that place sucks and he ain't going there no more. But I guess he decided to go there anyway.
What I call the regular Olson surprise packages. It's stuff that someday I'll be able to use if I don't die first.
If all the needles in this box work on our stereo, we'll have enough for years. Here's Dad.
For a buck, I mean, I guess you can't get a...
Some kind of a timer for something.
Some kind of a timer.
Maybe it's for a 4.5 minute egg.
You're right, hon. This is
It's for 4.5 minute eggs. There's Dad.
Got a lot of IC circuits though. No, that's good, hon.
What the hell do you do with them?
It's for my new career.
Oh,
Your new career?
He got the chicken
Yeah, you're
Looks
right.
like that's what I got most of.
Looks like you're gonna have a big career, Dad. Oh boy, we got a... What's that? The 8-ball you're always behind.
Arcade spare.
What is the hell is it?
That's for joystick.
A joystick. Oh, I know what those are. Has it got a hole in it? Hey, you can put this on a joystick so you have a little ball to hold on.
Huh?
I got one of these, whatever that is.
I get one
Splitter.
of these.
Splitter?
For the antenna.
What's this?
Mom got one of them. This is a trunk light. We don't have a... Oh, it's for alarm.
He's eating that chicken bone, and he's gonna try eating my tea bag.
Yellow? Here's another one of these things.
Here's
He
another
says
one.
yellow real nice, Paul.
I heard him.
Well, I got lots
Say
of IC
yellow? Say yellow. And
register
then we
file.
read that.
Ooh, wow. Told you we got a lot of needles. We got lots of needles. Your cartridges?
What's that?
Here's a power supply. What do we get
Oh,
out
good.
of
We
this?
can always use power supplies.
So many of those damn
Keep
power
your hands
supplies.
off my power supply.
Run crazy with power
Yellow.
Looks like I got most of the IC circuits in here.
Well, why don't we dump it?
These are valuable.
For Dad's new career, Mom.
Then we got one of these.
They're computer circuits and stuff.
Stop. Just bury yourself in them. You got so many.
Whatever it'll fit on. I think what we're gonna have to do is get another box to get all these.
Hey, don't do that to me.
Oh, look! It's a gold one.
For a VCR. That's the one you went and bought, Dad.
No, it's not the one I bought. That's for a. This'll go. This is good for you, Paul, for when you audio dump though. You can
Really?
use that and that. Yeah, that's be perfect for your audio dump.
And it works good, huh?
It's brand new.
I mean, no, it's not a me. I mean, what does it do? It helps you.
Well, since it's gold, it means you have less signal left. Can you get me a little box where you're gonna bag and throw the IC?
Okay, we'll taking a station break. Oh wait, no, they're using a bag. Just ask for a bag.
We
There.
got a bag.
Don't throw them because they're delicate. They'll break. Put them in.
Big fragile.
Here, everybody, watch as Paul puts an IC in the bag. This is an
enough here to build a
IC.
TV.
Oh, good. Do that. See?
How many days? He's doing two?
I could name that in
Is
2 days.
you talking about days or years? Or lifetimes?
Maybe you can even have all of them. Look, we got
I think they emptied their IC rack in my box here.
Yeah, they just took the whole shelf and put it up.
Oh, here's another one, hon. This is a cable splitter.
the table splitter, Mom.
Sure, we always
Ooh, yay.
When I start wiring up for to be able to play the movies all over the house, I'll need something like this. Look at this. This is a computer thing.
Oh, yay.
Hey, Paul, is this what we need for the tape recorder? To make you able to use a tape recorder?
Yeah,
We even got one of the racks there.
Well, I need that for my peg
we
board.
have to buy a tape recorder.
With this plug, though.
This is how they
We
have
won't
it.
have to buy the plug. Hey, hon,
Off of the shelf.
I think this is the plug we need to be able to
It
use a
is.
tape recorder with our computer.
And
But we'd have to get it there.
Yeah, but they want like $20-some just for this.
they gave us
Yeah.
the rack and
Wait, show that. Look at that rack. Where did they give that for
Here
us
we got
from?
stereo headphones, but there's nothing in there. There's an
Oh,
empty box.
okay.
Well, maybe they're in the bottom. I don't think they give us an empty box, do you?
Why not?
They might.
Here's another one of these.
No, it might be the same one.
Wow, look what we got. We finally got all these. Look at this, Daddy.
There's still
All the
more,
IC
though.
circuits.
There's still more.
Yeah. Oh, there's more of them.
Geez, did they just give us that empty box?
Yeah,
Well, here's the thing for cleaning the heads of the video recorder.
that's a shame. Why put an empty box in there?
Well, maybe it's still in here, huh? We haven't got to the bottom yet.
Yeah, see everything. What do you do with these things? You stick them.
That's a phone holder for a phone.
What is that?
Do we sell
How do
phone
we know?
holders? Do you?
What's that?
I think they need a phone for it.
Huh?
What's
I think people want to, that's for cleaning the head of a VCR.
It's
Replacement phono
a
cartridge.
big shoe tip, honey.
No, it isn't.
We can have one of these for a joystick.
No, it is a big Q-tip.
It is, but it's not cotton, it's a special thing.
Don't throw them, Paul.
Sorry,
What we got here?
looks like some kind of a switch there.
Look at
This is a cable splitter too. It's a selector.
We got loads of these things too. $10.95.
Well, they're for different. They're for old time stereo. I'm looking to see if
I
they're
got that old timer stereo.
Mom, we got lots of these too, Mom.
We don't want this rack in the bag.
Mom, we got a lot of these too. Mom, we got a lot of these too.
Yeah, I think she is, honey.
Yeah, I can't get any good shots.
I don't see any headphones on here. How, why the hell would they pack an empty box, huh? I think they would put that in the garbage can, you know?
But, yeah.
Mom, look.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh, I see. This one has a cover on it. That's the part that goes into the wall. It has this thing here, and if you want to use it, you pop it off, I guess.
Oh, here's some.
We're
Well,
doing stuff all over the place. We get
that doesn't even open.
Wow, Dad, look what we got.
Yeah, it's still
We have a thing on our computer that'll take that jack.
Yeah, I've seen a jack like that.
That's all we need then.
Don't we have?
We need a tape recorder that has that kind of jack on it.
Don't
And most of the new ones do.
one of these?
No,
John Wiseman's was like that.
Well, that's pretty good, huh? Because those things cost about $30.
Here's a. Dad, those look different.
I think we're getting the
Well,
headphones that ain't even
we
in
don't
here.
get no headphones.
Put the
Hi,
box in. Turkeys.
They just want to know that there's headphones.
They yellow? They yellow? They yellow?
I like that.
Get out of here. Do what I want you to. What the hell? Okay, Dad, say, look at all this junk. Go ahead, Dad.
We can't use this, right, Dad?
Okay, you, Dad, say, look at all this junk. Okay.
Look at all this junk.
You mean in this box?
Yeah, this piece of garbage here. These were only $4 as is, and they don't even work.
There's noise coming out of it there, Dad.
Oh, I think you usually you hook this up, and then whatever you have hooked up to here will stay on for only 4.5 minutes.
So he's a 4.5 minute egg timer.
Whatever that good that does.
Really?
What do you move it?
I don't know. Maybe garage door up.
I want to see.
Maybe we could put this in with the next cutter machine. Piece of junk.
Well, at least we didn't get all the window bugs, huh?
Oh crap. It's not coming. It's a good smile, dude. In that truck. Beer guzzling. Are they good headphones, Dad? Are you sorry we didn't get them?
Hell, they pack an empty box for it, so I'll be able to use a lot of these once I learn what the hell they're good for. No, really, there's that little thing there has a whole circuit in it. Like if you see in an old TV where they have a tube and a whole bunch of stuff around it. Everything of that, all of that is in here. They make things so small now. That's a whole circuit in there.
So Mom goes.
Isn't that exciting? You won't be able to see it anyway, it's too dark out here.
Oh, bull crap. I can see pretty good.
It's so exciting.
Oh, this is a thing on this cable.
What would we do without it?
What would we do with it? I'm going good night, folks.
I guess this is the only good thing, huh?
Well, that's something we can use right away, yeah.
Use this right away. Don't lose no time on that.
Well, we could have used the headphones too if the box wasn't empty. But these splitters are good, and they really
Give
are.
that one to Paul.
Now, go get Paul what I bought for him. He doesn't believe I bought it for him.
Nope, I don't. Why would you buy me anything?
Turkey.
Oh boy, act with fluoride.
I'm in a humorous mood because that's not what I meant.
Yeah, well, most of tell a lot of jokes tonight, okay?
See, yeah, maybe more air's getting to your brain now. You feel a little better.
Oh my.
What?
One of these is yours.
Oh, boy. What did you say?
One's mine. He says you're making a lot of jokes tonight, so maybe we get your hair cut shorter, you get more air to your brain.
What do you say about that, Mom, huh?
How the hell good are all these without the phones, you know? I got a good joke for this one, but I can't say it.
No.
I know what it is. Just take a special phone for this, huh? You think?
It's that one-piece phone. It's that piece of junk. This thing that makes me mad. Why the hell they put this in here, an empty box, you know?
Yeah.
Makes you think you got it in here. They don't give it to us at all.
Oh no, it's a shame.
Sure got a lot of splitters. I guess they don't sell much anymore. Everybody's got cable TV now.
What's that for?
Well, you bring your antenna in here, and then they split it for the cable input and the UHF input. We could still use them though for the VCR. Because the VCR comes in, we can still use this to split, so it'll make it easier. Make it a little easier. No, this is some kind of a timer. I don't know what for.
He said it was for 4.5 minute egg timer. For 4.5 minute eggs.
Well, see, you hook this up and then it goes off in 4.5 minutes. I mean, what for what though?
Oh, yeah.
Unless it's for some kind of delay in the security system, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
In other words, it'd give you 4.5 minutes to leave or whatever before it activated. Just in case you had to run back in the house. Could be for something like that. Ooh, I think I need that card. No, really, this looks like the one it might take for their...
There's a hickey at the bottom.
Well, that's to hold it, but this looks like the one that might go into their little thing that they just got, that little player, you know? That thing that shows the pictures and all.
Oh, that one.
It's a small cartridge like this.
Oh.
So, you know, if we got that in there, it would be worth something, because that's going to wear out eventually.
Oh, gee.
Oh, I lost it. I got it.
It's in there somewhere.
I got it. Throw it off right away. don't lose it. It's an electro voice.
There's all different kinds in here.
Dad got this in a surprise package.
I don't know, man.
Temporarily out of stock.
I don't know.
Okay.
Here it is.
Now you put it on, because there's none there. Out of stock.
That's Mom, you're so funny. Oh, you're
You
so
want some
funny.
juice, bud?
No, but
This is the only good thing we got.
Really?
And somebody brought it back.
So it's probably defective.
No, it's still good.
How
Probably
do
had
you know?
Well, I hit the wrong end on it, I'm sure. Somebody wanted to have these two ends the same. And they goofed up when they bought it.